Many people begin noticing gradual changes in their eyesight after the age of 40 or 50. At first, these changes may seem small. Reading fine print suddenly requires brighter light. Eyes may feel dry, tired, or strained after looking at a phone, reading for too long, or spending time outside in bright sunlight. Some people notice that driving at night becomes more difficult because glare from headlights feels stronger than before. Because these changes usually happen slowly, many people assume they're simply a normal and unavoidable part of aging. But what many people do not realize is that several biological processes inside the body may be contributing to these changes long before vision becomes noticeably worse. Scientists now understand that age-related changes in vision are often influenced by oxidative stress, chronic inflammation, reduced tear production, and weaker circulation to the delicate structures inside the eye. Interestingly, certain foods contain nutrients that may help support these systems naturally. One of these foods is not expensive, difficult to find, or unusual. In fact, it is a tiny seed that is available in most grocery stores, yet many people overlook it completely. Today, we are going to explore why vision often changes after the age of 50, what is happening inside the eyes, and why flaxseed may help support eye health naturally. Why vision often declines after 50. To understand why eyesight often begins to change with age, it helps to understand how much work the eyes perform every day. The eyes are highly active organs that depend on constant nourishment, healthy circulation, moisture, and protection from stress. Every day, the eyes are exposed to sunlight, screen glare, environmental irritants, dryness, and the natural effects of aging. One of the first changes that may occur is an increase in oxidative stress. Oxidative stress happens when unstable molecules called free radicals begin damaging cells faster than the body can protect them. Because the eyes are constantly exposed to light, they are especially vulnerable to this kind of damage. Over time, oxidative stress may begin affecting the retina, the delicate light-sensitive tissue at the back of the eye that allows us to see clearly. At the same time, the body may begin producing fewer tears. Tears do much more than simply keep the eyes wet. They create a protective tear film that keeps the surface of the eyes smooth, comfortable, and clear. As tear production declines, the eyes may begin to feel dry, irritated, gritty, or tired. Circulation also changes with age. Tiny blood vessels carry oxygen and nutrients to the retina and optic nerve. When circulation becomes weaker, these tissues may receive less of the support they need. Chronic low-grade inflammation may also slowly increase throughout the body. Over time, this may place additional stress on the eyes and contribute to symptoms such as blurry vision, eye fatigue, dryness, and increased sensitivity to light. The encouraging news is that these same processes are strongly influenced by nutrition and lifestyle, the three biological processes that affect eye health. When researchers study age-related changes in vision, they often focus on three main processes that influence how well the eyes function over time. The first is oxidative stress. Every day, exposure to sunlight, blue light from screens, and normal metabolism creates free radicals inside the body. These unstable molecules can damage sensitive cells in the eyes if they are not neutralized. The retina is especially vulnerable because it is constantly exposed to light and requires large amounts of energy to function. The second process is chronic inflammation. Inflammation is part of the body's natural defense system. But when inflammation becomes persistent, it may gradually interfere with the health of blood vessels, tear production, and the tissues inside the eyes. The third process is reduced circulation. The retina and optic nerve depend on a constant supply of oxygen and nutrients. If circulation becomes weaker, these tissues may not receive the support they need to remain healthy. When oxidative stress, inflammation, and poor circulation are all present at the same time, the eyes may become more vulnerable to dryness, irritation, and gradual changes in vision. This is why many nutritional strategies focus on supporting these three processes at the same time. The tiny seed that may help support eye health. Among the many foods that researchers have studied, one small seed stands out because of its impressive nutritional profile, flaxseed. Although flax seeds are very small, they contain a remarkable combination of nutrients that may help support the body's natural protective systems. Flaxseed is one of the richest plant sources of omega-3 fatty acids, especially a type called alpha-linolenic acid, or ALA. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential because the body cannot make them on its own. These healthy fats help support the structure of cells throughout the body, including the delicate tissues inside the eyes. Flaxseed is also rich in powerful antioxidants called lignans. Because oxidative stress is one of the major contributors to age-related eye changes, these antioxidant compounds may help support the body's natural protective systems. In addition, flaxseed contains soluble fiber and important minerals that contribute to healthier circulation, better metabolic balance, and healthier inflammatory control throughout the body. Understanding that flaxseed contains these nutrients is only part of the story. The next question is how these nutrients actually work inside the body and why they may matter for the eyes. How flaxseed may support eye health. Flaxseed may help support eye health through several different mechanisms. One of the most important involves the tear film. The surface of the eye is protected by a very thin layer of moisture that keeps the eyes lubricated and comfortable. The omega-3 fatty acids in flaxseed may help support the tear film that keeps the eyes lubricated and comfortable throughout the day. When this layer is healthier, the eyes may feel less dry, irritated, or tired. Flaxseed may also help support the body's natural antioxidant defenses. The lignans found in flaxseed help neutralize free radicals that can damage delicate retinal cells over time. Another important mechanism involves inflammation. Omega-3 fatty acids are known to support the body's natural inflammatory balance. By helping reduce unnecessary inflammation, flaxseed may contribute to healthier eye tissues and greater comfort. Flaxseed may also support circulation. Healthy blood vessels are important because they deliver oxygen and nutrients to the retina and optic nerve. Better circulation means these tissues receive the support they need to function properly. When these mechanisms are combined, better tear support, less oxidative stress, healthier inflammatory balance, and improved circulation, flaxseed may help support healthier eyes over time. But there is one more connection that many people do not know about: the surprising link between the digestive system and the eyes. The gut-eye connection. In recent years, researchers have become increasingly interested in the connection between the digestive system and eye health. Inside the digestive system lives a large community of bacteria known as the gut microbiome. These bacteria help regulate digestion, immunity, and inflammation throughout the body. When the microbiome becomes unbalanced, harmful bacteria may increase and chronic low-grade inflammation may rise. Because inflammatory signals travel through the bloodstream, they may influence tissues far beyond the digestive system, including the eyes. Some researchers now believe that poor gut health may contribute to dryness, irritation, and inflammatory changes that affect vision. Flaxseed may help support a healthier gut environment because it contains a large amount of soluble fiber. This fiber feeds beneficial gut bacteria and may help support healthier inflammatory balance throughout the body. Knowing that flaxseed may support the eyes is helpful, but the next important step is knowing how to use it correctly. Morning eye health drink recipe. One of the easiest ways to include flaxseed in your routine is through a simple morning drink. Morning is often the best time because the body has just completed several hours of overnight fasting. At this time, hydration and nutrients may help support circulation and overall metabolic balance. I support morning drink. 1 teaspoon ground flaxseed, 1 glass warm water, 1/2 teaspoon honey, 1/2 teaspoon fresh lemon juice. Optional, a small pinch of cinnamon. Add the ground flaxseed to a glass of warm water and allow it to sit for 5 to 10 minutes. It is important to use ground flaxseed rather than whole flaxseed because whole seeds often pass through the digestive system without releasing all of their nutrients. After the flaxseed softens, stir in the honey and lemon juice. Drink this mixture in the morning before breakfast. If you decide to try this consistently, what should you realistically expect over the next few weeks? What to expect? Week by week timeline. During the first week, the biggest changes are usually related to digestion and hydration. Because flaxseed contains soluble fiber, it begins supporting the digestive system and gut microbiome. Some people may also begin noticing slightly less dryness. By the second week, the body may begin adapting to the omega-3 fatty acids in flaxseed. These healthy fats start becoming part of cell membranes, including those involved in tear production. Some people notice that their eyes feel a little more comfortable during reading or screen use. During the third week, the combination of improved hydration, better circulation, and healthier tear support may become more noticeable. Eye fatigue may begin to decrease, especially later in the day. By the fourth week, some people feel that their eyes are less strained and more comfortable overall. Although flaxseed is not a treatment for vision problems, consistent use may help support healthier eye comfort over time. Of course, results vary from person to person, especially depending on overall diet, lifestyle, and existing eye conditions. Additional habits that support eye health. Nutrition works best when combined with healthy habits. Limiting excessive screen time is important because staring at screens for long periods often reduces blinking and makes the eyes feel dry. Getting enough sleep also matters because the body performs many of its repair processes during sleep. Wearing sunglasses outdoors helps protect the eyes from ultraviolet light and additional oxidative stress. Maintaining healthy blood sugar levels is equally important because high blood sugar may gradually damage the small blood vessels that support the eyes. A simple strategy, known as the 20-20-20 rule, may also help reduce eye strain. Every 20 minutes, look at something about 20 feet away for 20 seconds. When to see an eye doctor. Although nutrition may support eye health, it should never replace proper medical care. You should speak with an eye doctor if you notice sudden vision changes, flashes of light, floaters, severe dryness, persistent eye pain, or increasing difficulty seeing at night. Regular eye examinations are important because many serious eye conditions develop slowly and may not cause obvious symptoms at first. Early diagnosis often makes eye problems easier to manage. Vision changes may become more common after the age of 50, but the eyes still respond to the choices we make each day. Small habits such as staying hydrated, eating nutrient-rich foods, protecting the eyes from excessive screen strain, and adding flaxseed to your routine may help support healthier and more comfortable eyes over time.